And so what I've done is I've just salvaged the case off the street. It's a fourth dimension computer's case, so like somebody already had built. It had the stickers on it. Seemed to be Windows 7 Home Edition. It's got an old key code on it. Sometimes you can use those if you have an old program, but I'll probably install Windows. Okay, as you can see, I got a motherboard here. It's a gigabyte motherboard that I received as a donation to use in school. And so I still do not know if this motherboard is fully operational. It seemed to be in good condition, so I didn't assume that anything was broken or anything didn't work. It's got an AMD socket, an AM3 Plus socket, and I'm going to buy a CPU chip and a fan and see if I can put this board together. And as you can see, I came up with this idea 7/2/2018. So, I've been doing this. And for my ITS teacher, Ingrid Smith, for Bates Technical College. And so what I did was I salvaged the case and began to put together the hard drive, things I may be able to use, some screws, some memory, salvage the old fan, serial cable, to begin to put this motherboard together into a new case. And so, see, I got my static bracelet, got my tools. This part 2 of my video. What I did was yesterday I used the static-free vacuum that we got here. It's called DataVac Pro 3, and it's electrostatic vacuum. What it does is it blows out one end and it sucks out the other, and it stops the electromagnetic forces while you're vacuuming, so nothing gets shot. And so I am about to take this case and get some screws and install this motherboard into the case. Probably slide the memory sticks in there, reinstall the fan, case fan, probably install the hard drive, and just put these things, get these things inside the case, so I can see how they all work out and how they fit. Also, get this power supply. See if I can get this power supply to fit in my case. It's a 500 watt power supply. I did have a 300 watt power supply, which I didn't think would be sufficient enough, so I came to good old Bates, and we have plenty of hard drives, SATA wires, cabling, CPU fans, power supplies, everything we need here to facilitate us to put together a computer. And we also started a game club, and so we brought in some retro gaming equipment, and I'm just showing you the inside of the workplace where I get to come in and work freely and have fun. So I'll do another video when I'm done putting these other parts together, so that you guys can keep track of what I've been doing. Thank you. Okay, so now what I've done is I've got my static bracelet on, I've got my safety goggles on, and I have just installed a power supply. Like I said, my old power supply was 350 watts. This new power supply that Bates supplied me with through their extra supplies has 500 watts. It's got the main power adapter to the motherboard. It's got the it's a 24 pin, so it's got the 20 pins plus the 4. I got some PCIe plugins. I've got some regular power IOs from the power supply. I've also got some SATA connections for my hard drive anything else I want to connect SATA. I've also got some SATA connections on my board to where it connect down through a SATA connection. So that's the power supply. Okay. Okay, this is the computer I put together. Troubleshooting the Ethernet and the IP address, making sure everything works. But as far as everything else goes, it's looking good. The fans are quiet. I got a LED light on my CPU fan in there, making the case glow red. And we've got Windows installed on there. It's ready to go. And Noah's gonna give me his mouse he's got. He's gonna give me that nice mouse he's got. Yeah, no, come on with that mouse, bro.
Nah, bro.
I don't want that purple mouse anyway. It's glowing girl colors anyway.
Hey. Whoa. Oh, man.
It's good.